Hello everyone, I am Professor P.S. Goswami from Department of Electrical Engineering. Today we talk about introduction of advanced metering infrastructure. Today's we have to covered by topic. First is introduction. What is AMI? Building blocks of AMI, challenges, benefits of AMI, cost associated with AMI. Conclusion. Next. First is introduction. The present system of energy metering as well as billing in India uses electromechanical and somewhere digital energy meters. It consumes more time and labor. One of the prime reasons is the traditional billing system, which is very inaccurate, slow, costly, and lack in flexibility as well as reliability. Today's accuracy in electricity billing is highly recommended. The smart energy meter gives real power consumption as well as accurate billing. It provides real-time monitoring of utility of electricity. What is AMI? Advanced metering infrastructure. Advanced metering is a metering system which record the customer's power consumption with hourly. The measure data fastly over a communication network to a central collection point. AMI is the collective term to describe the whole infrastructure from smart meter to two-way communication network to control center equipments and all the applications transfer of energy. AMI makes a two-way communication with customers possible and is the backbone of a smart grid. Next is what is AMI? Advanced metering infrastructure. This is the diagram of AMI. In this single family of home, your smart meters is located in a homes, communication devices and utility pole, utility office. It is a two-way communication. Next is building blocks of AMI. AMI means advanced metering infrastructure is comprised of various hardware and software components, all of the which play a role in measuring energy consumption and transmitting information about energy, water and gas usage to utility companies and customers. The technology components include smart meters, wide area communication infrastructure, home, local areas networks. Okay. Next, meter data management system, operational gateways. Next is communication infrastructure. In this communication infrastructure support continuous interaction between utility and consumers. Okay. Next, controllable electrical load networks such as a broadband power line BPL and power line communication power line fiber optics communication. Next is home area networks. Home area networks interfaces with a consumer's portal to link smart meters to controllable electrical devices. Next, meter data management system MDMS. MDMS is a database with analytical tools that enable interaction with other information system. One of the functions of MDMS is to perform validation, editing and estimation on the AMI. This is the diagram of AMI meter data. Renew protection, outage management, metering and rates, credit and collection, system planning, billing and customer care. Next is cost associated with AMI. Cost associated with the development of AMI arise from three sources. First is the smart devices at user points. Next, installation, communication network, data collection, analysis, storage and system management. Okay. Next is benefits. First is anti-theft. Next, two-way communication. The AMI is always two-way communication. Data collect and data gain. Real-time and automatic billing. Improve billing and customer support operation. Improve outage management from meters that alerts. Improve outage management from meters that alert utilities when customer lost power. Next is conclusion. Advanced metering infrastructure allow the operators and utility companies to have first-hand information on the status of their network for planning and performance optimization purpose. It also offers higher power quality and stability. Next, advanced metering infrastructure is a relatively new concept which need improvement in the area of communication, data analysis and scheme. Thank you for watching the video.